Well, today might be the day, and we're really excited. Today we're heading out to our property because up above our property on the mountainside is a cave. And for the last couple of years we've been wanting to go up there, but we can't figure out how to get up to that cave. And we want to know what's in there. So a few months back we bought a drone, and now we're taking the drone out. We had to wait because it's always so windy here in central Montana. But today it's warm and hardly any wind, and that's really unusual for this time of year. We're in the middle of winter here. But today we're heading out there, and we're going to fly the drone up and see what's in that cave. And we don't know, could it be a mountain lion den, a bear's den? Could it be a place where Native Americans used to hole up once in a while? We're going to try to find out. So you come along with us, stick around, and we'll go check it out. Got a big coyote out here, but I can't see him in the screen. Okay, we made it out here. It's beautiful out here right now, and the wind is down. Now, I don't know if I can show you where that cave is, but it's way, let's see here, get my finger into the picture, way up there. There it is. Looking for tracks. I'd like to see what's been hanging around out here while we've been gone. Last weekend was a mountain lion.
Just did the drone dance.
Yep. Well, we got it up there. The wind wasn't bad, and I think I got a good look inside that cave. But we're going to see here pretty soon. And anyways, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you around. Bye.